How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your Best Buy gift card online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to show you how you can redeem through using my phone, but you can use your computer or laptops. The process is the same. So first go to the Best Buy website, or you can also use the app. So once you are on Best Buy, add the products you want to buy to your cart. Now go to your cart. In the top right corner, tap on cart. Now here, tap on checkout. Now here, scroll down and tap or click on continue to payment information. And now here in the payment information page, here you will see use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code. Tap or click on it. And here enter your card number, and if it requires PIN, enter here PIN and click or tap on apply, and your gift card will be applied. So this is how you can redeem your Best Buy gift card online. Thanks for watching.